Got these new gloves from Firm Grip. You can touch on a phone screen too with them. They're a hybrid, duck canvas hybrid utility. Firm Grip, tough working gloves. Heavy duty duck canvas, this part. Quick fit. They slip on, they got a little elastic here. And it's genuine leather. So I got extra large because it seems like I always need a bigger set, and I do unfortunately put my gloves sometimes in the wash machine. They shrink a little, but let's see how these feel. Reorder at homedepot.com. There's also a www.firmgrip.com website. No big deal. That's nice. So you don't want them all canvas, because I mean leather, because they get harder to clean and dry out, but this does allow them to dry a bit faster, and you get that protection on your hands, like when you're lifting rocks and stuff. Keep them from hurting your hands. It's got the little screen sensitive forefingers on both sides. I like them. Got a nice little snugness around the wrist. Got some holes in the leather to make it more breathable. Let's go pick up some stuff. Just touch the phone with the little end here. The forefinger works really well. Slide and pick things. Pick some rocks really well. Good feel for them. This is nice back here. Breathable too. They're not sweaty. I don't use my gloves for one thing. I use my gloves for everything. No slip, no snakes. These are nice gloves. They feel real heavy duty, industrial strength. They bend really well. Canvas and leather, breathable, and smartphone compatible. Firm Grip. Nice.